party people, it's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. Don't mind me, I'm in my jammies. If you know, you know. If you don't, well, here we are. It's jammy day. It's jammy beading day. I highly recommend you put your jammies on. And we're going to take a little look-see at something from Softflex. This cute little package, look, it's even got a little velvet ribbon, is Star-Crossed Lovers, I think, from Softflex. Okay, so we're gonna check out, we're gonna do a little unboxing. We're gonna see what they have to offer us today. Let's jump down to the mat, get this party started. All right, guys, here we are down on the mat. Welcome in. First and foremost, I just want to go ahead and let you know that we are going to be looking at unboxing Softflex Star-Crossed Lovers. Okay, this is a design challenge kit that is going to be revealed on January 29th. It's going to be revealed, and if you are looking to get into this kit or maybe check out some of the other design challenge kits from Softflex, here is where you will go, www.softflexcompany.com. Okay, I will put that in the description of the video as well. They do offer different kits throughout the months and things of that nature, so it's really fun. And then they have a contest. So, as a reminder, now they do provide us with this little paper, but I'm not going to look at it because I like to be surprised. I do want to let you know that these kits are retailing for $34.99 and that they are coming from Softflex, which, in case you were unaware, they are based out of California. They are leading in the wire industry, as we know. So we're going to take a look at this kit. I also do want to let you know that Thunderhorse Descendant is a working studio, so if you hear some commotion going on, do not be alarmed. That is just work happening. Everybody is here. We have a full house today. Let's get into it. I like the little ribbon. It's cute. Star-Crossed Lovers. Okay. We give this to Bunsen, like good cat moms do. Bunsen!
He's in the bathroom.
Oh, he's in the bathroom. Alright, we got a little sneak peeky here. I'm going to put this off to the side and we're going to take a look at the items individually. Starting with this, which appears to be a new situation. What do we got? We've got Pro Econoflex by Softflex. Medium, stainless steel, nylon coated, 49 strands. Colored gold. This is 0.019. Oh, here he's here. Oh, Jefferson.
What?
Look what Lily's doing.
What's she doing? She's eating it?
She's eating it. That's probably not good. Lily's eating a catnip mouse. Please leave in the comments if that's bad. I feel like it's bad. Anyway. So here we are. This looks to be like your beading wire, your 0.19 inch beading wire. Now I don't know how much is on here. So this is new. We are normally getting the smaller ones, but I have used their EcoFlex Fine before. I will say I have not used this guy, but it's feeling very flexible, so I like that. That's what we like about Softflex, right? The flexibility of the wire so it's not so stiff for necklaces and things of that nature. So we're going to give that a whirl. Something new. A little something new. I wanted to see how many feet it was. 15 feet. Okay. I was like, what's happening? 15 feet. So that's the first item. Then we have some crimps. So these must be the size 2 crimps as they give us to use on the Softflex wire in medium. So it looks like we're going gunmetal. We're going to need those. And we've got a couple of little, oh, they took the staple out. Lovely. I always cut my finger on that dang thing. We love that for me. We got two little baggies. The first here appear to be large hole ceramic. Okay, those are cute because those are looking to be large hole ceramic. We're probably going to use those on some leather doings. Oh, no, we'll put those on here, right? That's what we're going to do. Obviously. Yes. All right, cool. Second of all, we have this guy. Oh, now this is just like a little mix of things. What do we got? We've got a star. I might have to zoom in. I don't know. We've got two stars. These appear to be vintage star blanks is what they are looking like. I don't know if that's true. We'll look on the paper after, but I don't want to look right now because they'll tell me all the things. This is looking to be stainless steel gunmetal earring wires. And, oh, they're little crowns. I was like, what is this? These are little clay crowns. Those are cute. And we've got a few little ceramic hearts. We could put our crown on the heart. That'll be cute. Oh, yeah. We get a lobster claw, also in gunmetal. So it kind of looks like, okay, we've got a couple of different options here. So we've got some bronze. And we also have some gunmetal for our choice of metal. Okay, so interesting. And then a few little, just little red check glass fire polish here. Okay, so those are cutesy. That's what's come in our little bag of business. I'll put this little bag of business in there like that too. All right. Okay. Then we have a couple of strands here. Now these are check glass strands. Looks like fire polish separating. I don't know that I've seen these before. These are almost like a pony bead, but they're not big in the middle. The hole's not big. So that's interesting. These are check glass in black. Okay. And then we've got some little, what do I call these ones? The squished ones. The peeps. No, those aren't peeps. They're squished. Those are check glass. Black with like a metallic-y finish. Okay, very small. It's feeling very small. Like, you know, not so chunky monkey. Okay, and then the last item is design elements from Star-Crossed Lovers. Now, Softflex always does in correlation with Jesse James beads. So these design elements are only designed for Softflex, and you can only get them through Softflex. You cannot get them on Jesse James. Okay, you can only get them in the kits because they are exclusive. So let's take a look at this. Star-Crossed Lovers. Okay, I see why we got the bronze going on. I gotta have a sip of coffee. Okay. So I've got some pressed glass hearts. Those are very cute. In red. Very faceted. We love those. We got these big old roses. Now these are drilled. They are drilled. They're very large. Okay, some ceramic roses. These guys also acrylic. These are kind of making it feel a little bit like the Alice in Wonderland Lady Hearts, Queen of Hearts situation. If you like that kind of thing. I do really like these dark red ones. Oh, they gave 2 colors. Okay. So they give the red, the ruby red, and then like the dark brick red crystal. And we've seen these from Jessie James before. They are very lovely. They are a heftier crystal, and I do like the really dark ones. So those are cute. We love that for us. Oh, we've got some little metallic-y hearts. Now these are new. Haven't seen these before. Oh. 3. Is there another one? Yep. There we go. 4 of them. Now those are cute. Now you know I love to stack up my hearts and do make different stacks of earrings with hearts. So those are very cute. We have not seen these from Softflex before or from JJB, so very cute. Love those. And I always do like these metals, these bigger metals. We've seen these in the past numerous times. They're very nice and they look nice on designs. Okay. These I have not seen, I don't think, from JJB. These larger crowns. Now I'm wondering, like, do we put a little crystal in there? Not quite sure. Not quite sure how that's going to work, but I think it's going to be fun. It's basically like a bead cap. I would probably use for earrings. It would be nice to be able to kind of like do one of these numbers. Maybe that's what we'll do. We'll figure that out and be able to put those on the hearts. Aren't those going to be cute? Look at that. Those are cute. Okay, so we're going to try that. And got these little red golf ball types. Very nice crystals. Got a few cubes in black and white. These ones are more of cylinder crystals. Very crystal heavy. Oh, and we got a few rondelles as well. Rondelles in red and black. Okay. And we've got these cylinders. And then some hearts. And some of these bead caps down here. Again, I'm going to have a bigger bead for that. I'm not quite sure. But they're very cute. And then we got these flowers. Okay. Okay. So here's the situation with this. This Star-Crossed Lovers from Jessie James Beads in correlation with the Softflex. This is a very nice mix. This is one of more of the nicer mixes that I've seen in these kits before. They're very crystal heavy. Everything is very nice. Very little acrylics, and the metals are all very nice and seem to fit size-wise with the beads. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a mashup. I do like that they've included a few little new things for us to play with. So this is very nice. This is one of my more favorites that I've seen come out of there. So let's bring everything back in. So we got our Star-Crossed Lovers. We've got our strands. We've got our ceramics. Again with our velvet, which I'm going to use that. I don't care what anybody says. Can't just be letting good velvet ribbon go to waste. I don't know what you guys are doing at your house. We've got our different wire. So I'm excited to see what's going to go on with the different wire. It is gold. Bronze and gold. Okay, I guess I get that. And we've got some gunmetal crimps here. Do a little mixy metal situation. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm probably gonna try and run these through my Sizzix. I feel like they're vintage, and I feel like we can run them through the Sizzix. That's just my. We'll look on the paper, but I'm just saying. These guys are going to be very cute as well, probably to add on to some more hearts of some sorts. These little crowns. Got this. These guys could be for bracelet or multi-strand bracelet or necklace or earrings. earring finding, whichever way you want to go with that. I will probably go earring finding. I like that vintage feel of the earring finding where you use it upside down. You put your whatever down here. You have your beads that go around. It's the whole thing. I dig that kind of thing. So there we go. That's what we got going on. So there is everything. Let me make sure I'm correct. Yes. Everything from Star-Crossed Lovers. Now let's take a look at this little list. Pro, Ecoflex, Gold, Econoflex, Gold, 0.19 medium beading wire. Dun dun dun. I'm just trying to see. They said teeny tiny ceramic gold crowns. That's funny. Small Peruvian ceramic red heart beads. Okay, Peruvian red heart beads. That's these. And then these are the small crown, the teeny weeny crowns. Antique brass plated S-hook. Brass plated multi-strand connector. Natural brass artisan stars. So natural brass should be able to go through the Sizzix machine, is what I'm thinking. All right, you guys. So on the back here, it says that on January 29th, Softflex is Softflex Company Facebook page or YouTube channel on January 29th at 3 p.m. Pacific time or 6 p.m. Eastern time. They're going to do a live. They're going to talk about their design challenge kit reveal. And from January 29th to February 24th, you can post pictures of your designs that you've made with their kit in the Softflex VIB Studio Facebook group with the hashtag lovers to enter and win future kits. And then they've provided a coupon, which obviously I'm not going to share because it's just for the people who purchase. But yeah, so there we go. Star-Crossed Lovers. Again, if you want to get in on this